Hello, this is Victor from Motormatch in Crewe, and I'm excited to present this recent addition to our latest range of used cars. This is a Vauxhall Mokka 1.4i turbo exclusive 2-wheel drive. This Mokka is powered by a responsive 1.4-litre turbocharged petrol engine delivering impressive 140 PS and is paired with smooth and engaging 6-speed manual transmission. The striking black finish perfectly complements its modern and dynamic design. The front is also enhanced with bold body styling, including fog lights for great visibility. The vehicle is standing on stylish 18-inch sterling silver effect alloy wheels, which not only enhance the vehicle's aesthetic but also improve road holding. The rear interior offers spacious seating layout for up to 3 adult occupants, provided is also power outlet, allowing you to plug in your own kettle and make cuppa on longer journeys. Inside the front cabin, the driver's seat features reach, rake and hike adjustment for personalized sitting position, while the supportive materials ensure comfort during long drives. The leather-wrapped steering wheel adds a touch of refinement to the overall experience. This Mokka comes equipped with electronic dual-zone climate control, allowing both driver and passenger to set their own temperatures, as well as DAB digital radio, Bluetooth connectivity and CD player with MP3 compatibility, offering range of entertainment and connectivity options. This has been a presentation of the Vauxhall Mokka 1.4i Turbo Exclusiv 2WD. For more information, give us a call today.